Every day, we're being asked to practice good habits that protect us from the COVID-19 virus. We're wearing masks, keeping our distance, and sanitizing our hands. Just like any new habit, we need reminders to make it stick. That's where signs can help. No matter the potential hazard, all good safety signs are alike in some ways. They are brief and easy to read, use simple text and symbols, give clear direction, are placed where they're easily seen, and can be read from a distance. How can signs and floor markings help keep workers safe from the coronavirus? You can mark the floor to help workers maintain proper physical distancing. You can also use arrows to create one-way walking paths that control workflow and minimize congestion. To help your workforce practice good sanitation and hygiene, you can find the right sign for almost every situation. There are signs for proper hand washing, mask wearing, PPE use, identifying symptoms, and more. Check local, state, and federal regulations regarding COVID-19 signage to make sure your facility is compliant. Luckily, many of these signs can be downloaded and printed for free from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and OSHA websites. Visit cdc.gov/coronavirus and search for print resources, or osha.gov/pls/publications. If you can't find exactly what you need in these free resources, MSC has more signage solutions on our COVID response page at mscdirect.com. For more information and resources to help keep your workers safe, visit mscdirect.com/bettermro.